Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at CyberFM, Binance Smart Chain. CyberFM token on Binance Smart Chain. We have a new token. Now it's on $11.3. It is just a couple of hours listed on CoinGecko. So you still have a big chance to be at the beginning of a successful project, I think. You can buy this token not only on Binance Smart Chain, they have it also on Tron. You can see it here right now here. Okay. And CyberFM sounds like a radio station, right? So let's look what they actually do. What's the intention of the project? You can buy it on PancakeSwap and MDAX Binance Smart Chain. Let's have a look what they exactly are doing. CyberFM Free Money Radio. Listen anytime, anywhere, and make money. Take your music with you wherever you go and get paid for it. That sounds nice. That's a nice idea. So let's have a look. Use the web app, Google Play, App Store, also Apple App Store. What we do, we are the only streaming radio network that rewards listeners financially with cryptocurrency while others are charging you monthly for content. We have turned the tables by paying you monthly. What the heck is that? Nice. Listen and earn. Skip, seek, choose your music, always free and full of variety. Download CyberFM now. Smart contract claims to your wallets. Listener payments. At CyberFM, listeners are paid financially with cryptocurrency. Fans have even paid their entire phone bills by tuning it. All at zero costs. Nice. CyberFM Application, we offer live streaming, radio 24/7. On top of that, handpicked partnered postcards and our very own InstaTUNES for on-demand music and shows. Who we are. We have been putting the fun in our dysfunctional family over 14 years on the interwebs. Dear listeners, we accept the fact that we had to sacrifice a whole Saturday creating a radio network, but we think you're crazy for making us write an essay telling you who we think we are. You see us as you want to see us, in the simplest terms, in the most convenient definitions, but what we found out is that each one of us is a brain and an athlete and a basket case, a princess and a criminal. Does that answer your questions? Okay. So they don't have any team or what? Let's see. Partner sponsors, flagship live stations, or this is the different radio stations, I think. Our events, they make also here. Country Road Diner, join Gemini with her Country Roads Diner. Okay, different dates here. Testimonials. Mainstream for the underground. MFTU is not only a verb, but it stands for maintenance for the underground, where you hear the greatest indies artists. Okay, you can read this by your own more and more. You can contact these guys even. You can send them a message here. Okay, what else we can see? What we do? No roadmap and no team faces, but it's okay. I mean, it's a radio station. You don't have to see any faces on a radio station, right? So let's see. They are on Telegram, 27,000 members. Okay, that's quite a lot. and 1500 right now are online. We have also a Twitter account. Not we, they have a Twitter account with 475 followers. That's not much. And Reddit. On Reddit, they have 1100 members and 10 of them are online. Okay, I think they have also many indies here. You can listen many musics or see many music videos here also on their Reddit account here. And they are also on Discord and Bitcoin Talk. So what we think about this project? I think if this is a radio station, right, with maybe different channels, if I can see this on this app, CyberFM, I listen radio and get paid with this currency, or you know what I mean. If they have another currency, we will see. Right now I didn't read something else. So if we get paid for that, what we listen, and maybe they put some commercials inside or whatever, but I don't think so. I mean, it's a cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency is created worth, it's created money. It's like the same with fiat, right? You create money, but it's here decentralized. So that means crypto is always decentralized. They create once, and maybe they also give more money to the holders, but I cannot see here if someone sell or someone buy, also get paid for it. But I think here's the target: just listen music, get paid for it, and enjoy your life, right? And it's a nice way. I mean, where you get paid for listen music, you just get interrupted with some commercials always, right? If you listen to radio stations. So I think it's a nice project. I wish for myself we can see also a little bit more about the founders. Maybe they speak a little bit about them, what's their intention, why they are doing it, and what's their plans for the future. But I can just say, give it a chance. Throw your money inside, give it a chance. Why not? I mean, you just can make some profits right now. It's just in the beginning. It's already near 70% rise up, right? And maybe we will hear more from them in the future. Right now, I just have to say it's a hit coin, and I will try it out and tell you more later what happened with the price or with the project, right? Leave me a like if you like this video, if you like what I am doing. Subscribe Hitcoin Daily, then we can post every day some new videos about new tokens on the market and follow up them what they are doing right now. In the future, are they successful, are they not successful? At the beginning you cannot say much, but right now I can say see you next time on the next Hitcoin Daily. Bye.